How to browse the Buffalo Wild Wings menu by category on the website. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Buffalo Wild Wings website. Here, click on Menu at the top. After you click on Menu at the top, here, scroll down. You'll find all these options pop up. These are the category. And now, simply scroll down and click on the category you want to purchase and select the category. After you've done that, you'll find all the variations. You can scroll through it, click on View Item, and view the items what are included. After that, you can select a store and order from here. This is how to browse the Buffalo Wild Wings menu by category on the website. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.